Alright, I just made a video of how to remove the broken door handle on this 2013 Chevy Silverado. Also made a video of how to remove the door panel to get to it. Now we're going to go ahead and do the installment. So in case you're not at this point, make sure you watch those videos before you get to this step. Alright, so here we have the replacement. And there's the little rod we have to connect to it. So let's go ahead and fish that sucker out. If you can also reach it from in here, maybe. Alright, yeah, I was able to work my hand in there and I have it caught right there outside already. We're gonna go ahead and put this sucker right in there and we'll work it down. Let me use both hands real quick. Alright, and there we have it. You want to have it just like so. Let me work it in there with both hands. Alright, and we'll slide this in just like so. There's little hooks here on the back. This one here, you're gonna slide in there, bring it down, secure it, and now we're gonna go ahead and put in the two 10mm bolts we took out to strap it into place. First one's gonna go right up here, not too tight, and the second one right in through here. See the hole right inside. So we'll go ahead and put that in. Then we'll go ahead and secure that down. Perfect. Not too tight. It is holding on to plastic. There it is. And there it is. Put this little cover back on. Let's give it a try. Freaking fantastic. Perfect, solid, and it works. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.